guys, Khadija Arsal here with another informative and interesting education video. Well, in my last video I told you the importance of taking any online course and how much crucial is to get their certificate. To take any online course you only need to have your interest and a stable internet connection, and if you are still watching this video it means you have both. But when it comes to their certificates you have to pay, and if you can pay then you can leave this video, because my focus gonna be getting their certificate without paying, because there are a lot of students out there in Pakistan and any other developing countries who can't bear these extra expenses with their regular studies, especially when it comes to $40 to $50 per certificate. But it doesn't mean that they shouldn't take any online course or they can't get any certificate, because there are some alternative ways, and that's what exactly I'm gonna show you now. Well, my favorite website to take any online course is Coursera, because it focuses more on professional training and it repeats its courses quite regularly. But most importantly, it offers financial aid when you can't pay to get the certificate. So let's start how we can do that. So just type Coursera in Google as I'm doing, and you will see the very first thing that will appear is this, the Coursera website. Click on this, and here you can see that there are like two options, login or join for free. So if you are not registered yet, then you have to click on join for free. Well, here are two options that you can also sign up with your Facebook account or with your email. And here you just have to write your complete name, whatever it is, your email ID, and your password. Simply click on this option and then you will receive an email in your inbox, and you have to validate your email address. In next few days you will receive an email and they will verify your account and ask for your photo ID, and you just have to send any passport size photo, and because they will use that photo on your certificate, so be careful with that. And because I'm already registered, so I will close this and I will quickly log in and proceed further. It's already saved. Yes. Okay, and so here you can search for any course, like you can search for agriculture related courses, like you can see here is coming agriculture economics, or there are like a lot of options. And let's see what they are also suggesting based on my previous searches. So here is the one, Python 3 programming. So let's start. So I just opened that course simply, and then here you can see everything, like all the details about the course. So this is a whole specialization. It means there's gonna be like a couple of courses inside this. Like you can see here, they are like course 1, course 2, course 3, 4. So now, for example, you want to start from the first course, so you will simply click on this, and this is the first course. So it's gonna start from 26 July. It means we still have some time. And just find out where it's written that the financial aid is available. Yeah, here you go. So here it is like it will start today with a 7-day free trial. If you enrolled yourself today, if you just click on this one, then it means you will get enrolled and then you can't get the financial aid. So you don't have to enroll yourself first, and you have to click first on financial aid. It's available, and then you will continue to the application. Here you can read out the stuff and click on these boxes, and they are asking us to type this sentence, that is, I agree to the terms above. And then continue. So after that you have to provide your some background information, and that is like your education background. You just have to choose, like, so if you are doing undergraduate, it means you have a college degree or yeah, or a high school. Even you can choose that. So for example, I'm choosing the college degree. And annual income, so if you are earning, you can write down that thing. And if you are a student and do not doing any kind of like job, so you can just simply put 0. Employment status would be, yeah, so here like couple of options. What would be your option? You can choose, and if you're a student, so you will just choose the student. How much can you afford to pay? Can you afford to pay? Well, if you can afford to pay, then why you would be applying for financial aid? So you can't afford to pay, and here it's gonna be 0. So here are the couple of questions that they want you to answer, and that is like almost 3, yes. And you have to write down, for the first one it's like minimum 150 words. And there are like most of the students, especially at undergraduate level, who don't have like very good writing skills. They just got stuck here. But you don't have to worry for that, because you just give your genuine reason why you can't like afford this and why you are applying for this. Use simple words and like small sentences, and just like try to achieve this minimum words. So to write the answers, I would suggest you to copy these questions and open your Word document and write down there. And here are some sample answers that I'm going to provide you, especially for those students who find difficulty in writing. And here for the first questions, after introducing yourself, you just have to simply state your financial situation and why you can't afford to pay for the course. The second question is about the importance of this course. So simply state why getting these skills or advancing this knowledge is important for you. You can read this and get an idea, and how at the end this financial aid will help you to achieve that. And this is the answer to the third question. I hope it would be helpful to all of you, and I guess that's it for the moment. If you have any question related to this video, then write down in the comment section below. I will get back to you right away. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. You want to know more about me? Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And stay tuned for my next upload. That's gonna be how you can prepare for IELTS at home. Till then, bye bye.